Audi has built some of the greatest engines in European automotive history, but they've also created a few total disasters. Today, we're breaking down the worst Audi engines ever made, the ones known for catastrophic failures, expensive repairs, and engineering choices that left owners furious. And then we'll highlight Audi's greatest engines, the power plants that earned legendary status. We are now gonna start with the worst Audi engines. Number 1 is the first-gen 2.0 TFSI. The early E888 2.0 TFSI was powerful and efficient, but it quickly earned a bad reputation. Owners frequently report excessive oil consumption, sometimes burning a quart every 1,000 miles. Timing chain tensioner failures are another major issue, which can lead to catastrophic engine damage if ignored. Number 2 is the 2.5 V6 TDI. The 2.5 V6 TDI diesel sounds like it should be bulletproof, but certain versions proved otherwise. Common complaints include camshaft wear, injector problems, and high-pressure fuel pump failures. Repairs are expensive and labor-intensive. Owners often say the engine delivers good torque, but reliability problems overshadow its strengths, especially as mileage increases. Number 3 is the 2.7 twin-turbo V6. The 2.7 twin-turbo V6 is often called Audi's worst engine. Turbo failures are common, and replacing them requires pulling the engine. Add timing belt issues, vacuum leaks, failing sensors, and oil leaks, and costs add up fast. While some enthusiasts love its tuning potential, most owners warn that reliability and maintenance make it a nightmare. So far, we've covered Audi engines that caused frustration, high repair bills, and broken trust. Designs that aged poorly or failed under long-term use. But this isn't the full picture. Audi also learned from these mistakes. Now it's time to look at the engines that earned respect, loyalty, and praise. Audi's best engines. We'll start with the late-gen 2.0 TFSI engine. The third-generation E888 fixed many earlier problems and restored trust in Audi's 2-liter turbo engines. Oil consumption was reduced, timing components improved, and overall durability increased. Owners praise it for strong performance, good fuel economy, and reasonable reliability. Many consider it one of Audi's best modern daily driver engines. The second best Audi engine is the 2.5 TFSI Inline M-5. The modern 2.5-liter inline-5 is one of Audi's most iconic engines. Known for its unique sound and rally heritage, it delivers excellent performance and strong reliability. While tuning can stress components, stock engines are praised for durability. Enthusiasts and reviewers consistently rank it as one of Audi's greatest achievements. Last but not least, we have the 3-liter V6 TFSI. Audi's supercharged and turbocharged 3 V6 engines are widely respected. They offer smooth power delivery, strong torque, and decent reliability when maintained properly. Common issues exist, but they're far less severe than older engines. Owners often describe this engine as the perfect balance of luxury, performance, and long-term usability. At the end of the day, Audi engines can be either incredible or expensive lessons, depending on the generation and maintenance. Some earned a bad reputation, while others proved engineering can last when done right. Knowing the difference is what separates a smart purchase from a costly mistake. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.